Hello, welcome to Vlogcember. I do get a few subscription boxes and I've narrowed them down as time goes by. I narrow them down, but I've kept a few, and that's what I want to show you today. Just two of those subscription boxes. One is monthly, one is quarterly. I love them both. The quarterly box is the bigger box of the two, as you saw in the thumbnail and the photo. It is the biggest of the two. It is my favorite subscription box, but I'm gonna do the small one first because it's right on top, and it's the Fashionsta the box. It's a monthly subscription, like I said, $24.99, 5 to 7 full-size beauty items. I haven't opened any of them yet. I mean, I only slashed the label to be able to open it with you guys, but I haven't looked inside. I don't know what's going on, so I'm really excited and anxious to know. This is what the box looks like, and let's open it up together. It always comes with a card and retail value. Usually it tells you like individually retail value. Sometimes it doesn't math for you, and this time it did. It comes with 5 full-size items and retail value is $117, and you pay $24.99. So there you go. You do get the value of your box almost 5 times over. The theme for this month is gratitude, the November theme, but we're in December, so I got this box late. The quality of being thankful, readiness to show appreciation for and to return kindness. A definition of gratitude. Let me show you what it looks inside. How it looks inside. It always comes with all these foozles, so that's good. The first item on the top is from Katherine Girl Brows by Natalie Brow Care Kit. Paraben free, cruelty free, and natural. The retail value of this is $28. It is a kit designed for everything you need to create your favorite brow look. 3 brow cakes and a brow wax to set, seal, and deliver. I don't use a lot of brow products, but I don't mind trying new things, so let's see. And it tells you in the back the instructions. Oh, I see what it is. Okay, it does come with 4 shades. I don't think any of these 3 are for me, actually. I like to, maybe this one, but I like them a little bit darker because I do have like black eyebrows. I think they should. I understand they don't know, they can't just fit this for every person because there's a wide variety of people that buy this box, but they should just probably do 1 shade, because if I were to choose 1 shade, then the other 2 are a waste. Next thing is a leave-in conditioner. Ooh, I like that. I mean, I do have my hair products, my go-to, my Jisoo or Gisoo products, but let's see. This is from Soleil. Leave-in conditioner retail value is $25. It says it's for all hair types and paraben free. It is a replenishing Moroccan leave-in conditioner that penetrates into frizzy, dry hair to smooth each strand, hydrates, renews, repairs the damages from excessive heat and harmful styling. I don't do excessive heat. Let me see what it smells like first. That smells really nice. I don't mind using this. I will keep it. And the packaging is really pretty. I could also use it on my daughter, my stepdaughter, because I think her mom does give her blow dryer. Does blow dry her hair. Okay, next item here. Let me get the biggest one. It looks like a spray. It must be the whole body natural deodorant spray. $24 retail value. Yeah, it's glass. That's nice. It's from Whole Body. Yes, with tea tree oil and aloe vera. This is what it looks like. It is a refreshing and deodorizing spray formulated with aloe vera, tea tree oil, and our proprietary antioxidant blend that absorbs sweat and moisture. Ooh, I'm gonna save this for the summer. Although here in South Florida, it's perpetual summer. But now it's kind of cooler. It's not that hot. But I will definitely try this. It has organic aloe vera, glycerin, provitamin B5, silk amino acids, organic marigold flower extracts, chamomile, comfrey root, vitamin C, cucumber, dead sea salts. That's interesting. Wouldn't that hurt if you have a cut or something? Let me see what it smells like. It smells very citrusy. Although there's no citrus in the cucumber extract. Maybe, lemon oil. Oh, it has lemon oil, lavender oil, and tea tree oil. So if you don't like essential oils and that, then you won't like this, but I don't mind. It smells good. It sounds refreshing. The next are 2, what is this? Blend Mineral Cosmetics. It's a depuffing and tightening eye cream. Retail value of this is $20. And this pencil is also from the same brand, Blend Mineral Cosmetics. It is a concealer highlighter. This retail value of this is $20 as well. The highlighter, it's like a pencil. Oh, is it dual? Yes, it's dual end. It uses to highlight the under eye area, cheeks, and brow bones, or dab it into breakouts and discolorations to smooth complexion for an even tone. And this is an invisible layer that works to visibly tighten and lift crow's feet and wrinkles surrounding your eyes, smooth skin surrounding under eye bags, making them shrink from view in minutes. Oh, that sounds really good. I'm not sure about this concealer highlighter pencil. I do have dry skin. I don't think a pencil is going to be good for me. So let's see what I do with that. And this, I'll think about it. I like the fact most of the time they do like a very general box, like something for hair, something for makeup, something for your body. So they did this time, something for your hair, something for your eyes, something for your brows, and something for your body. There's no eyeshadow palette this month. Usually they have one, which is surprising, but it's something different. This is actually what catches more my attention. I think that I'm going to use more, and this is the second thing that I'm going to use the most, and it does smell really nice. If I didn't use it, I'll use it on my stepdaughter. Alright, so we got this one out of the way. It's a pretty good box. You do get your worth, and you get to try different brands, different products every month. It's really cool. Alright, now let's go on to my favorite subscription box. This one and Cosbox are my top favorite. I like this one better. Alright, Margot Elena is a quarterly subscription box. It is, if I'm not mistaken, $15.95. I do have the links down below. It's a lot of full-size items like perfumes and creams and candles. Some of the candles I have in my bookcase are from Margot Elena. I just love it. This is the winter box. The theme, since it's winter, the theme is, this is a subscription box number 17, winter 2021, all things nice. It does come with a card as always, and this is going to cover the camera, so I'm going to just flip it back like that. All things nice, Margot Elena, and it comes with a small message and the retail value of each item and the total. So make a holiday wish, however you holiday, make it perfection. Light up your party scene with our new best-selling fragrance Radiant Gem. Send salutations with fabulous signature stationery greeting cards. Layer silky body wash beneath whipped body butter for the most renewing shower. May your wishes be realized in every beautiful moment of the season. What's inside? And I forgot to mention, it does bring greeting cards. Every quarter it brings greeting cards, which I love because I get to, you know, send greeting cards to my friends, or if I want to give a gift. It's a really nice touch. The total retail value of the box is $200. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 items. Some items might be a little bit higher than what I would pay for them. But overall, I think it's a really good value box. And the items are just, they always smell delicious. So let's start. It is all covered with tissue paper. And it says the wait is over. Let's rip this mama up. Ooh, we see it's full. It's heavy too. It's pretty heavy and it's so nice. So very nice. Let's just take out everything because my neck hurts from being craned over like that. Oh, it has a card inside. It says there was something missing in the box. Let me read what it says. It says, we have some news to share regarding your Margot Elena winter subscription box. With ongoing supply chain challenges, we are unable to include the Lolia Mini Wash Luminary in this box. On the bright side, in its place, we've included a trio of our luxury on-the-go petite treat hand creams, beautiful to give or keep. We deeply appreciate your understanding during this unusual time and hope you will discover new luxuries to love in this season's box. Wishing you beauty and love this holiday season. Your friends are Margot Elena. So something didn't come, but they replaced it with something else, which is good. All right, let's start with, I'll start with the greeting cards. Usually comes with a set of 3. Okay, there's a birthday card, Whoopsie Daisy, and Girl Boss. This is what it looks like. It's just really pretty. The retail value for this, $16.50. It's kind of pricey, but they are really like pretty. Like the print is really pretty, and it has like glitter. It's a little bit pricey, but it's alright. $16.50 for a set of 3. Let's start with this big item that I picked up at first. Might be a candle or a cream. It's a whipped body butter. I love their body butters. Retail value is $34. Everything's individually wrapped, so that's great. From the Cottage Greenhouse, the carrot and neroli whipped body butter. Retail value is $34. It is a glass container. Smells so good. Should we try it? Let's try it. Very moisturizing. Look at that, how pretty, how nice. And it smells so good. You can, it's a, I don't smell carrots, but like a slight herbal scent. And the Neroli is the one that is what stands out. The next item that's pretty big is from the Cottage Greenhouse again. The Sugar Beet and Blossom Rich Shea Butter Hand Cream. I tried this scent in a body wash and it was so good. So delicious. This retail value is $26. So it is a hand cream. I love this scent. I'm so glad. It is Rich Shea Butter Hand Cream Beet. Is ruby rich in naturals, nourishers, and cell-renewing phyto compounds found deep within its roots, helping to hydrate and lock in moisture. Your skin feels nurtured and velvety smooth. I forgot to read the one about the carrots because it says carrot oil is one of the most rejuvenating oils found in Mother Nature's garden, loaded with vibrant beta-carotene, vitamins A, B, D, and E. Carrot nourishes and helps to restore your skin to its natural vital glow. It is sealed. Oh, it smells delicious. Oh, it smells so good. Let's try it here. Really nourishing. So good. I love her products. Something big. This is probably a shower gel. Knowing this, it's probably the gel. Yes, the Cottage Greenhouse, Carol and Neroli, just like the cream. Same description, so I'm not gonna read it again. But this is the shower gel. Oh, it smells really good. A little bit herbal, but what stands out most is the Neroli, and it's really, really nice. This retail value for this is $23. This is plastic, and I prefer it that way because I do take it into the shower. So in case it breaks, it doesn't break inside the shower. The next item I'm gonna show you is a perfume. They send a perfume every month. I don't see a candle. I don't think they're going to send one this month, but that's okay. This is the perfume. It is $42 retail value. From Tokyo Milk, the new Radiant Gem Eau de Parfum, Lemon Balm, Amber, Winter Daphne, and Musk. Glass, of course. Beautiful bottle. Let's spray it. I'm going to spray it here in my hand. Ooh. It's like, I smell the amber. Not so much the lemon balm. Maybe a little bit. But it reminds me a little bit of licorice. Not that sweet as licorice, but that kind of scent. I guess it's the amber, yeah. The balm, I mean. The lemon balm. It doesn't smell bad. It smells good, but it's not a fragrance that I would wear. Yeah, it smells very fresh in a way, but it's not my type of scent. Alright, next from Tokyo Milk, it is the Assorted Finest Perfume Soap. Wait, let me smell this first. Okay, it just smells like regular soap. It says dive in and celebrate. But why is it cake? Finest Perfume Soap, but it's not perfumed as anything. It just has fragrance. It has glycerin. It has shea butter. It has, it's probably really, really soft. Yeah, it just smells like soap. All right, the next are the things that they were gonna send in because they couldn't send the other thing. The Assorted Petite Treat Trio. Okay, this is the Assorted Petite. It is from the brand. Two of them are from the brand Lolia, and the other one's from a brand Tokyo Milk. So Lolia is the Breathe Peony and White Lily Shea Butter Hand Cream. The Relax Hand Cream with Shea Butter, Lavender, and Honey. Oh, I want to love that one. And Tokyo, it is the Let Them Eat Cake Tokyo Milk. It is Let Them Eat Cake, Sugar Cane, Coconut Milk, Vanilla Orchid, and White Musk. Crushed and distilled essence. Let's open that one first. As time goes by, the lemon balm, like, it dissipates. It's pretty nice. But I think if I keep it, it's for like the springtime. I'm gonna show you the packaging, sorry. And then the back. It's like a picture of a cake. Oh my god, it smells so good. Ooh, it smells delicious. It is very light. I can smell the vanilla. I'm not a fan of vanilla, but it's not pungent. So let's smell the lavender, the peony and white lily first, and then I'll smell the lavender honey. I can't describe it. It smells so nice. I'm only gonna get a little bit because I don't want to waste it. This is perfect for carry-on for your travels. The lavender honey one, I think I had a full size once. I love lavender and honey together. I'm gonna put this just in my hand because I have cream and perfume everywhere. It smells so good. Of the three, it's the most subtle. Like, you know, lavender could be strong and you could smell the lavender, but it's so far away. And the honey is there too, like you could smell it, but they're very subtle, very discreet. I like that. Oh, they're all so good. This would make like perfect gifts, but I already opened them, so too tough. They're gifts for me. Alright, so let's do, oh, there's one more. Ooh, I thought I was done. This box has a lot of products. That's why I love it. This is another shower gel. Library of Flowers Forget-Me-Nots. I didn't see that one in the card. This is $23. This is what it looks like. I like this for the shower too. It's not glass and it's just easy. Let's smell it. Is it sealed? Probably. Yeah, it's sealed. It's not very flowery. It's not very fragrant, which is definitely fine because I could use a gel that doesn't have a lot of fragrance. I just add perfume or cream after. I just need something that cleans me and leaves me fresh and clean. Yeah, there is some fragrance there, but it's super light. I guess I have to try in the shower because it is soap. I don't want to be using it now. So let's do the rundown, right? Let's go through everything again. So we got a shower gel, 2 shower gels, 3 petite hand creams. We got another hand cream, which is delicious. A body whipped cream, which is divine. It's glass, so this one's more heavy. We got a perfume. We got a soap. And we got a set of 3 greeting cards. So total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, well 8, but if you count the creams individually, it is 10 for a total of $59, like a little bit less than $60, and the retail value is $200, and everything smells really, really good. Some things better than others. The perfume was my least favorite because I think the lemon balm really, I don't like it. I don't like it. I mean, it's not completely bad, but it's not like my favorite of all the items, but everything else is really nice. The soap doesn't smell like anything, but I know my mom loves these types of soaps, so I'm gonna give it to her. She'll be super happy, and I'm happy. I mean, this is really good. This smells really good, and the little hand creams smell really good as well, and so does the shower. Everything smells good. So I showed you my Fashionsta monthly box and my Margot Elena quarterly box. I love it. Really happy, really excited. Every box is always good. I'm gonna leave links of these 2 subscription boxes down below if you guys want to check them out. They're not affiliated, I think. Well, the Margot Elena is not affiliated. The Fashionsta, I think it's affiliated. I think so. I'll leave all the information in the description down below for you guys. So yeah, thank you for coming by and spending your time with me, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode or video of Vlogcember.